Priyanka Chopra, without a doubt, is one of the best speakers out there. But what makes her so special? Why does she sound so confident and so articulate every time she speaks? Is it her vocabulary? Is it her accent? Or is there something else going on? And more importantly, do you also want to speak just like that? If yes, then this video is for you. Today we are going to learn a powerful communication technique that Priyanka Chopra often uses in her speech. We'll also see how you can apply it in your communication. Not only this, we'll also practice this framework in today's session. But before I get into this framework, listen to how Priyanka Chopra often communicates.
I think it's very important for us to raise bold girls, for us to raise girls that push the envelope, for us to invest in the girls in our communities, in our countries.
Did you see how naturally that answer flowed? That's because Priyanka Chopra often uses the PREP method. The PREP method stands for point, reason, example, and point again. Now let's break it down a little more. P stands for the main point. Here you answer the main question or you express your opinion. R stands for the reason. Why do you think so? You have to explain it a little bit. Then E stands for example. In example, you can share any story that relates to the topic. And finally, you go back to the main point again so that your answer feels complete. Now let's see how she uses this method in her interviews with an example. Let's go back to the initial clip. Here, her main point is that it is important to raise bold girls.
I think it's very important for us to raise bold girls, for us to raise girls that push the envelope, for us to invest in the girls in our communities, in our countries.
After this, she gives a reason. She explains why it is important.
Because once a girl stands on her own feet, she not just takes her family forward, she takes her community forward, which in part takes the country forward.
Then she gives a personal example.
I am a result of a family that empowered me. From I was 4 years old, my father encouraged opinions.
Finally, she goes back to the main point so that the whole answer feels complete.
So that's what I mean. I think it's very important for this generation to invest in our girls. It's so important.
Now that we've understood this whole method, let's practice it. We'll take up two questions. The first is going to be about your daily life and the other one is going to be an opinion question. So the first question is, do you like traveling? Instead of giving a yes-no answer, try to expand it using the PREP method. Write down your answers in the comment section below. If you want longer, please pause the video. This is how I would answer this question. Instead of saying, yes, I like traveling, I'd expand it using the PREP method. I'll say, yes, I like traveling because it teaches us new things. It teaches us things that a classroom never can. It teaches us about new people, new cultures, new ways of living life. For example, last year when I went to Ladakh, I realized that people live a completely different life than we do in metropolitan cities. And that is why traveling is not just a hobby for me. It is the best teacher that I've ever had. Did you see how easily that answer flowed? Where most people would just say yes or no, we expanded our answers a little bit more, and that is what will set apart your communication from everybody else's. The next question is an opinion-based question. Do you think social media does more harm than good? Again, I'll give you a few seconds. If you want longer, you can pause the video. Use the PREP method to expand your answers, and don't forget to leave them in the comment section below. This is how I would answer this question using the PREP method. I think social media does more good than harm, but only if you use it moderately and in the right way. It has given access to people to new skills, to new knowledge. People can now start a new business, they can learn a new skill without spending a single penny just by sitting at their home. Look at teachers like me. They are able to reach millions of students through social media that they otherwise would never have had access to. And I think that is why social media can be beneficial, but only if you use it in the right way. Now, some of you might be wondering, why should I use this PREP framework when I can answer the question the way I want to? Well, it will solve three of your major problems. The first problem is giving short answers. If you're somebody who always answers with just a yes or no, then this method will help you expand your answers. Secondly, it will help you structure your thoughts. This framework will also help you if you often get stuck in the middle of the conversation, your mind goes blank and you freeze in that moment. So this was the PrEP framework that celebrities often use to sound more articulate, and you can also start using it from right now itself. Use it with your friend, use it at your workplace. It is very flexible. You can use it anywhere in any conversation. If you like the video, then do not forget to hit subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, and comment down your answers below. Keep unscrewing English with me. I'll see you next time.